In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do DNS verification in Netlify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Netlify dashboard to start verifying a domain so your site can be served on a custom URL. DNS verification is essentially Netlify confirming you control the domain you want to use, which helps keep your site secure and properly routed. First, head to your Netlify dashboard and land on the projects page. This is where all your sites live. If you have a lot of projects, use the search bar at the top to quickly filter by the site's name. Typing a few characters is usually enough to bring the right project into view. When you see the site you want to connect to a custom domain, click it to open the project overview. From the project, navigate to domain management. You'll find it in the site settings area, and it's the hub for everything related to domains and DNS. Once you're there, select Add a Domain. This is where you'll tell Netlify which domain you want associated with your site. You'll see two choices. You can buy a new domain directly through Netlify, or you can add a domain you already own. Buying through Netlify is convenient if you don't have a domain yet, but for this walkthrough, choose Add a Domain you already own so we focus on verification. Next, type the custom domain or subdomain you plan to use. This could be a root domain like example.com or a subdomain like blogexample.com. Double check your spelling, avoid extra spaces, and don't include protocols like HTTP or HTTPS. If you're using a subdomain, make sure it's the exact label you want to serve, because that determines how traffic will be routed. When the domain looks correct, click Verify. Netlify will immediately check the domain and start the ownership verification process. If everything is already configured in your DNS, this can complete quickly. If Netlify detects that additional confirmation is needed, you'll see clear prompts guiding your next actions inside the same area. Keep an eye on any banners or messages that appear. They'll tell you exactly what Netlify needs to finish verification. A few tips while you wait. DNS changes, when required, can take time to propagate across the internet, sometimes up to 24-48 hours, though it's often much faster. Make sure you have access to your domain, registrar, or DNS provider so you can respond to any guidance Netlify provides. And if you intend to use a subdomain, confirm it doesn't conflict with existing records. That's it. You've navigated to your project, opened domain management, added your domain, and triggered verification in Netlify.